Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to take your Jeep Gladiator top off. First, you'll need a T50 Torx bit and a ratchet. Before you begin, make sure your rear window is unlatched and folded down. This prevents damage during the removal process. It's also a good idea to have a designated spot for all the bolts you'll be removing, perhaps a small container, so none get lost. This preparation makes the entire process much smoother and quicker. Now let's tackle the freedom panels. Inside your Gladiator, you'll find 2 latches on each front panel. Simply unlatch these. Next, locate the 6 T50 Torx bolts that hold the panels in place. Use your ratchet to carefully remove all 6. Once the bolts are out, you can gently lift each freedom panel off. They are relatively light, so storing them safely should be easy. Moving on to the main hardtop. First, disconnect the rear washer fluid hose and the electrical harness located on the driver's side. These are usually simple clips. Then, you'll find 6 more T50 Torx bolts along the base of the hardtop. Remove these carefully. This part requires a bit more muscle. It's highly recommended to have at least 2 people to lift the hardtop off or use a specialized hoist to prevent any damage to your vehicle or yourselves. With your top off, you're ready to enjoy the open air. Make sure to store your hardtop securely, perhaps on a dedicated stand or a flat, protected surface, to avoid any scratches or damage. Remember, when it's time to put the top back on, always reinstall all the bolts and reconnect the hoses and harnesses. Also, for other great deals, and to make meal prep easy with some fantastic leak-proof containers, check out the link in the description below. Enjoy your ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.